Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't sign in on your PlayStation account. So if you enter in your password wrong or something like that, what you want to do is go on over to Add New User right here. Just go to where it says Get Started. Then go to I agree, confirm. Now when you get to this page, press triangle. In the bottom right, you can see it says Can't Sign In. And then we'll bring us to this page where you can enter the sign-in ID, email address for your account. And then you can reset your password by just simply going through here. So enter it in and then check your email address. And Sony should send you an email address password reset link where you can go ahead and just reset that and then sign back in with your account. And then you should be able to enter those credentials in and then enter that in and then sign in with your account. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.